Hey guys, how is it going today? So it's April the 17th. It's about, what time is it? It's about 3:13 p.m. Central Standard Time here in Canada. And I just wanted to talk about generally about Bitcoin, and we'll do a quick technical analysis. I've got about 20 minutes, so thank you very much everybody for joining me and for all the love and the support that you guys have given me. My glasses are a little bit dirty, so I'm just gonna wipe it here very quickly. I'm starving. I woke up like around, I think 1 o'clock today, but I never even got any food yet. And I don't really cook because I live alone, so I'm always heading out to get food, right? Food is a big part of my day. I love eating more than anything. As you guys saw me eat my banana earlier, as you guys can tell, I'm a really big fan of food. So let's talk about coin market cap and see where this is generally trending right now. Where is my coin market cap? Do I even have it opened here? No, I do not yet. Let's pull it up right now. I hope you guys have had a fairly cautious day trading thus far. And it's not really surprising, is it, guys, that we're downtrending right now? I mean, I've been calling it for a few days now, so it's kind of expected on my end here that it's coming down. So I'm just gonna check out the live chat as well to make sure you guys are having fun and engaging with me as well. Awesome, we've got about 500 people in here right now. So okay, so not surprising at all, guys. I mean, some coins have had a really good day. Stellar has had a stellar day. No pun intended. So we see EOS simply just drop back down to the number 6 position now. Not surprising at all, right? It overtook Litecoin because of the EOS DAC snapshot there for the airdrop. And unfortunately, it just couldn't maintain its 5th position. Overtaking Litecoin, EOS, who do you think you are? Litecoin? No, nobody's going to take Litecoin for a while, okay? EOS has got a lot to go. It's got over $1.8 billion to go if it actually wants to overtake Litecoin and sustain its 5th position. Thank you very much, Sunil. The baby whale pod loves you. I really appreciate that donation. Thank you very much, Sunil. It's going to go straight towards my dog. It's going to get her a 1-ounce bottle of vodka. I'm a little bit down in trading right now. You know, I'm super comfortable showing you guys my position. I'm using a VPN, so you guys can try to log into that IP if you want to. It's going to do crap because my VPN changes every single day. So anyways, I'm down like $350 right now, but I don't really care, guys. If it drops down, if EOS drops down to the $8.40 range, no problem. I'll just end up buying another 2,000 coins. If IOTA ends up dropping down a little bit more to the 153 range, no problem. I'm just going to buy another 5,000 IOTA coins. So I have not shorted Bitcoin. I have not played any position other than EOS. But you know what? You guys don't always need to see profit, right? It's not really accurate as a trader. So as a real trader, I like to show proof in the pudding that I'm human, that I go up and I go down all the time, every single day. If anybody says that they are up, if they are always constantly up, right? And they're always winning like 90% of their trades, bull. It's just complete bull. If I said I won 80-90% of my trades, I'd be lying to you guys as well. So I want to make sure that I show you guys proof in the pudding that I'm human and that I do take losses as well, right? But I'm more so ready to dollar cost average because I've planned very diligently already. So there you guys go. I don't go down all the time. It just depends on my mood when I decide to go down, Adrian. You know, it depends on how drunk I am as well, and maybe how much ecstasy I've taken. You know, so yeah, Jace, I do that all the time too. Sometimes I go on a win streak of like 50 wins or something. Since I've been back to trading over the past week, I've only taken about 2 losses so far. So we see coin market cap here, the overall cryptocurrency market capitalization. We see it at about $323 billion. Now the volume for Bitcoin is slowly picking up again. Yesterday, I think we were at about 5-6 billion. Do I stand corrected here? Yeah, we were. So we had that massive surge, right? Now we have to give it respect on April the 12th right here. April the 12th, what we see is that, yeah, I'm actually almost up already. See, if you guys take a look at my profit right here, just to show you guys, I'm not really that down, right? Last time you guys took a look at it, I was down like $380 or something. Now it's slowly trying to spike back up here already. In fact, we're getting a bullish candle right here on a 5-minute chart. I'm just going to take my super quick profit. Okay, guys, I'm going to share with you guys a general rule that I always follow, okay? Think of it like this. you guys have to factor in the emotional state of trading as well, right? You have to factor in the fact that you are going to be in emotional turmoil if you are actually down in a trade. So a rule that I've been following very well for 2 years is that if I am down, if I'm down and I'm not past my dollar cost averaging point where I can actually get a better average price of mine, what I do is I try to take my profit, break even, or take the smallest loss I could possibly take, right? This way I eliminate the emotional factor from the game and I can actually start over. That is why right now my close position for EOS, I'm at 862. I'm going to close it like at 863, 64, take my whatever, $20, $30 profit, or take my very small loss, because it's a lot better than being in a bad position in a trade. So it's a rule that I've been following very firmly, and it's actually been helping me substantially over the past few days. So how is my quality here? Is it looking okay? Yeah, I'm actually not lagging. I realized that I got to set my VPN to like Canada because that's where I'm from. Whenever I set my VPNs for like, I don't know, Hong Kong or Singapore or somewhere in Asia or somewhere in Europe, I tend to lag a lot during my live streams. So this is actually working out a lot better, okay? So we see trending $5 billion for the past few days. But today, we are actually getting a hard sell volume at 6.669. 69! I'm going to tell you guys a joke, okay? What do you guys notice about the number 6.9? What you notice about the number 6.9 is it's a great number, ruined by a period. That's like a fist pump kind of moment, right? It's like a knee slapper kind of moment right there. It's like a back slapper kind of joke right there. The video seems fine to me. It's on 1080p. Maybe you need to get something better than dial-up, William, because I hear that 28.8K is not really the best kind of modem anymore. 56K is a little bit better than 28.8, but I really recommend this thing called DSL or high-speed internet or fiber optic now, William. It works a lot better, okay? Just in case. Yeah, I'm still wearing sweats right now. I haven't put any jeans yet, but I'm still getting ready to go for food. Yeah, you guys remember, you guys go to a girl, tell her, what is the great thing about the number 6.9? It is a fantastic number, ruined by a friggin' period, okay? Best joke ever. I kid you not. You guys will pick up all the chicks all the time. So as you guys can see, I'm almost up already, guys. I'm almost up. Oh, yeah. Look at this, guys. I'm just going to live trade in front of you guys here right now, okay? Look at this right now. Oh, what is this? Did I not panic? Am I actually going to make a small little profit? I think I am going to make a nice little profit right here, guys. I'm just opening up another Bitfinex, so I don't have to open up multiple Bitfinexes right now. So let's go to IOTA, baby. Where are you? Luna! Stop barking, Luna! It's the Philicon Crypto Show, okay? It's not the Luna and the Philicon Show. If you want to get your own crypto show, maybe you need to buy yourself a new computer instead of trying to use mine all the time, okay? You don't even know how to use a computer, Luna. You gotta stop going on mine. Please stop hacking into my computer all the time as well, okay? Stop barking, Luna! Stop barking. It's the Philicon Show, okay? Stop it, Luna. I will eat you for dinner tonight if you keep this barking up right now, okay? Sorry about that, guys. My dog is... I don't really have the best time talking to my dog sometimes. She's always trying to get on my show here. But I'm not really up yet, so we'll talk about that later. I'm still kind of down right now on my trade. Do you guys still hear her yapping? She's still yapping. So anyways, what we're getting is a sell-off volume, right? A lot of people were actually panicking right here. They're like, oh my goodness, the world is ending right now. What are we gonna... Luna, stop barking, Luna! Sorry about that, guys. Everyone was like, oh no, the world is ending right now. We're falling. We dropped from $8,100 all the way to $7,800. What are we going to do? The world is like literally going to end right now. You guys need to make sure that you just stick to your TA, honestly. Okay, you guys can't complain over these tiny, tiny little drops like this, right? We have our target. That is where the target is going to be. And I'm going to define to you guys very, very... Sorry for yelling there. I didn't mean to yell too loud. Let me just lower my microphone volume next time I yell there, okay? Next time she yells, she barks, I'm just going to go get her, and we are actually going to, we're going to eat her live, okay? I'm going to teach you guys how to make really good dog soup live next time in a video if she actually barks again. Luna, I dare you to bark one more time.
I dare you to bark.
Yeah, she knows. I've threatened her many times with a boiling pot. She's not really a big fan of that boiling pot. So we're gonna go to the daily chart here. Okay. I'm still down. Oh, I'm still down $182. Actually $250 now, but whatever. I'll make that up later. So we always gotta make sure that we stay in our log chart, right? Just for the longer term, try to stick to log charts right here, guys. I'm gonna stick to TA now, okay? I'm not gonna joke around too much as well. What we see here is this is gonna be a massive resistance area, and there's gonna be another resistance area just right around over here when we take a look at this cluster region, right? This will be very indicative of a hard resistance area. So if we do our Elliott wave count in detail, what we can see is that that's basically 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll probably get to about 7,500 range, I'm guessing. And that goes like that. Actually, this one is more like a subwave 1. My apologies, okay? This goes like that, okay? And then if we go to a lower time frame here, it's very easy to count this in my personal opinion, guys. Right? This is all of subwave 1 that goes up right here. And now we're just going to call this subwaves 1. Okay, I'm just going to do it very loosely here so you guys can see it roughly here. 3, 4, and that's 5, right? And I actually posted a chart there as well on my Steemit, which you guys are welcome to upvote it if you guys find the time there. It's just in the link below. So I call this waves 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, something like that. And if I actually take my ABC extension, going from A to B, to C right there, what I see is, you know, it's roughly around the 7,600 range. What we also always say is that Elliott wave says that wave 4 territory will usually not overlap by wave 1 territory by more than a wick, okay? By simply more than a wick. Phil, could you unmod me? I'm not sure what unmod means. No idea what that means, Jace. I apologize. Unmodding someone. I don't think you're moderated in any way. I don't have any moderators appointed here. So what we say is wave 1 will act as a resistance right here, obviously. So wave 4 territory will usually not retrace by more than that small little wick in a highly leveraged market as well. I don't have a bearish count, Sean. I don't have a bearish count because we haven't really broken any bearish scenarios yet. Now, if I do get a bearish count, if we break below 7,400 range by a lot, 7,400 will basically unvalidate or invalidate my bullish count right here, okay? So we actually see this hitting flying colors, guys. It was honestly super easy to play. What we usually do is we take our wave 1 like that, and then we play it on the breakout right here. This is where you end up buying on a breakout range, right? Because it was the hard resistance. And then as soon as it breaks out like that, what you say is, I'm going to target 161.8 region right there, okay? And now if this one hits 168.8 region, then what we say is for the next one right there, we will assume that this one could retrace up to where wave 1 territory is. And if this one hits 161.8, we'll assume perhaps somewhere in the middle or slightly less than the 261.8. That's the proper way to do Fibonacci extensions. So now, if I actually, I'm just going to delete this because I've got some major OCD issues right here. I only have about 5-10 minutes left to go. And then I got to take off right away because I'm taking a cab. And yeah, so what we see here, guys, is that this one right here easily hit the mark, right? Like, look how ridiculous it is. It hit the 161.8 extension level right there. So we assume the exact same thing, that this one could possibly get down to one of these regions right over here, right? It could possibly get down to one of these regions. And it's easy to take a look at. Like, how could it not get to here to test it again? We've had our final 5 subwaves going up there. So in my opinion, it will most likely hit anywhere between 74 to 7,600, most likely 75 on average. And then because it does hit the 161.8 region, then what we can easily say again is that this one will most likely get up to the 261.8 Fibonacci extension level up there, right? So that's just the way that I'm seeing my Elliott wave count right now. Now, if we break well below this wave 1 territory range, which is around 70, well below 7,400, then I'm automatically going to assume, guys, that we're going to get into a bearish count. So I've got no reason to assume that we even have a bearish count at all yet right now. I only have a bullish count. Despite this being a bearish short-term scenario right here, we still have to factor in that this is overall a very bullish type of scenario, especially with that 1 hour volume that was put into the market, right? The 1 hour the 1 hour volume that we got in this particular candle, when you guys do your candlestick analysis on this one, the candlestick analysis basically indicates that this is the highest the highest 1 hour volume that we've ever had in one candlestick. Now that is the most substantial volume in the history of Bitcoin that we have ever had in the history of it, okay? So you guys need to remember that as well, that we are in a fairly bullish market in my personal opinion. Where's Maria? Is Maria in here? Maria Ariola, are you here? It's horrible that you can even laugh at the prospect of Phil boiling the dog alive. It's not even a joke. I hope you understand that it's very offensive to some of us and scary to many others. Hold on, Maria. Let me just go grab my dog for you, okay? And I'll actually boil her alive. Oh, come on, Maria. It's been an ongoing joke for like 6 months now. Have you guys seen the way that I take care of my dog? Okay, my dog wanted a dog bed, and I bought her like a freaking $2,000 sectional instead of a dog bed, okay? Because I spoil her like a friggin' princess, okay? Maria, what I really recommend is you check out my Steemit, okay? If you don't really appreciate me boiling my dog alive, I want you to know that my dog is actually an alcoholic. Okay, I've been feeding her alcohol for a very long time now. PETA's been trying to do something about it for the longest time, but I keep just paying them off because PETA is, you know, very pro money. So yeah, you guys can donate to my dog's alcoholic cryptocurrency fund right here, okay? My dog is an alcoholic, and as her dog dad, I don't really want to spend my own money to buy her alcohol. So Maria, instead of boiling my dog alive, if you love my dog, you can actually donate to the cryptocurrency piggy bank of hers that goes straight towards alcohol, because it makes no sense for parents, for the dog dad, okay, to spend their own money on alcohol to support their dog's habits. It makes more sense for other people to sustain my dog's habits. It's kind of like if I went to the bar with my girlfriend, why the heck would I want to buy her drinks? Makes no sense at all for me to spend my own money on my own girlfriend. It makes more sense for my girlfriend to get drinks bought for her from other guys, okay? You have to understand that same concept of a dog having a drinking problem. Makes no sense for the dad to actually buy your dog alcohol. It makes a lot more sense for other people to buy your dog liquor, just like how it makes more sense for other guys at a bar to buy your girlfriend drinks, because we don't spend our own money on girlfriends and dogs, just to be very clear, Maria. So because you said that, Maria, I just thought I'd bring up that whole spiel there. And where I'm from, Maria, I think Maria is being very insensitive about boiling dogs. You have to understand that some countries are very poor, okay? Some countries are incredibly poor. And now, I don't know about you, Maria, but I respect the fact that a lot of countries will make use of whatever meat that is running around, literally, and no pun intended, right? If there's a dog or a cat running around, why not eat it if you're making only 50 cents a day or 50 cents a month? Some people are starving in the world and they will actually eat anything, okay? So I think Maria is just kind of snooty or snobby. Maybe she's actually sitting on her high horse too much and thinking we should all be eating fucking caviar. Not everybody eats caviar and lobster, Maria. Some people actually do eat cats and dogs in very poor countries because that's the only type of accessible meat that they have. So do I think it's gross and do I actually eat cats and dogs? No, because I live in Canada. But you know what? Other people in other countries might actually eat cats and dogs because they have no access to other meat out there, okay? So that actually went on really long. Maria, are you still here? That is the longest that I've actually roasted someone here on YouTube before, okay? That was a really good roast. What do you guys think out of 10? I think out of 10, that was like an 8.5, right? 8.5 right now. But because I got the right light and the right filter going on with my look right now, maybe it's like a 9.5 out of a 10 for a roast. I think that was a pretty good one. So anyways, let's get back to technical analysis. Actually, I'm kind of done the TA already, guys. I'm kind of done. I'm completely... You guys are like 8 9s. Screw you guys. That's so funny that you guys are actually engaging with me. I love you guys. You guys are really funny. So guys, I firmly believe that we're actually going to get down to one of these ranges over here, okay? I firmly believe that we are actually going to get to one of these particular ranges of about 74 to 7,600. There's no way we're not, guys. I will take bets on this, okay? I will take bets on this. I just want to show you guys, despite XVG actually, you know, going up a little bit. Do you guys remember my target of 764 to 964 for XVG? Well, guess what, guys? Yesterday we actually hit my little green target zone. I'm a bear, guys. I'm a bear. Rawr, rawr. Sometimes I'm a cat. But no, usually I'm like a bear. Rawr, okay? And I'm like a bear at heart. And I kid you guys not that like I know how to I know corrections, okay? Like look at XVG. The people that actually took my advice and were very patient and they actually waited to buy around this range, you guys are probably gonna be making some pretty good money in my opinion. Luna does have a boyfriend. Luna's dating a dog. He's a Shiba Inu. Luna's 7 pounds. She's dating a Shiba Inu from Connecticut. It's my friend Julianne. Do I have a picture of it? I'm just gonna show you guys a picture of Julianne and her dog right over here somewhere, okay? Let's see, Julianne's got a cute little dog. His name is Arrow. Right there, that's, hello Julianne, you were just put on the spot. Luna's black, so by nature, she's a BDL. I'm a BDL as well. I'm a black dog lover, if you guys are not familiar with what the BDL term means. Some people think that it's a black dick lover, but I just want to be very clear. It actually refers to black dog lover. And that's Julianne. She's actually here. Guys, say hi to Julianne. Hi, Julianne. Can you guys tell her to come visit me right now? Okay, tell her to come visit me. I'm trying to get her to come visit me before I actually head off to Thailand. Hopefully Julianne will come visit me near the beginning of May. That'd be great because in the end of June, I'm actually going to go hang out with my friend Mel in Thailand. And we're going to go just explore Thailand and Cambodia. And hopefully we can go to my home country as well, Laos. So other than that, guys, I think I'm going to end the technical analysis right here. It was more like a live stream just to entertain you guys, but I firmly believe that we are going to hit one of these particular ranges, 7,400. Right, Julianne, cute. Yeah, Julianne, they all said that you have a very cute dog. You know what's also very cute? Julianne's also very cute as well. She's actually gorgeous. I should show you guys some of her nudes right now. I'm just joking. She hasn't sent me any nudes. The only nudes she's actually sent me is of her dog Arrow. Okay, just Arrow. That's the only nudes that I've ever gotten. Okay, Maria, are you still here, Maria? Did I lose a subscriber? Oh, I feel really bad that I lost a subscriber. I would do anything to get Maria back. I have another Maria. Are you watching this show right now, Maria? Maria Ariola. She's from Austin, Texas. She's from Texas. And she's got this amazing Japanese/American Texas accent right now. And I've got a better Maria. I've got a way better. Thank you, Julianne. No, this is not Julianne. This is actually Julian. Thank you very much for the generous donation there, Julian. That's going to go straight towards my dog's alcoholic fund. And maybe I can even spend $10 to adopt another dog that I can boil alive. Because us Asians, we love to eat our cats and dogs, right? So, Luna, stop barking! Stop barking, Luna! I'm trying to do a tactical analysis and you're just barking and yapping away just because Julianne's on the show as well right now, saying hi with your dog Arrow. Well, guys, we're ending this right now, okay? We're going to get to 74, 7,600, very strong support zone. Please don't panic. So, Luna, stop barking! I'm going, guys. Just fuck.